Hi, today I will show you how to create the even count peyote stitch. I will use blue and yellow, and as a stop bead I will use this purple bead. So I will go through the purple bead, through my stop bead, and I will leave about this much of my thread. I will go through the bead like this, so that this bead will stop the row of beads. This bead is only meant to tell me where the row of beads begins, and it is not part of my bracelet or ring or necklace that I want to create. So at the end, this stop bead will be removed. And now let's start taking an even number of beads. I will alternate the yellow and the blue beads. Like this. So I have 6 beads, so an even number of beads, and I have added these beads to my row, and they have stopped in my stopper bead, in my purple bead. And now let's create the second row. I will take a yellow bead and I will jump the first yellow bead, and I will go through the second bead, through the blue bead. Like this. And now I created a sort of a triangle with these beads. Now I will take another yellow bead. I will jump over the next yellow bead and go through the next blue bead. Like this. And again I will take another yellow bead and I will again jump over the next yellow bead and go through the last blue bead. This way. And now, as you can see, I have created this shape where I have an alternation of yellow and blue beads. Now I will go in the opposite direction and continue with the blue beads. I will take a blue bead and I will go through the yellow bead like this. And now I have created a third row of blue beads. I will take another blue bead And I will go through the second yellow bead this way, and another blue bead, and I'll go through the last yellow bead. And now I have created the second row. This way. And now I will continue with yellow beads again. I will take another yellow bead and I'll go through the blue bead, this way. I have now begun to create the third row, like this. Now I take another yellow bead, go through the second blue bead, like this. And another yellow bead, and I go through the last blue bead. And as you can see, I have these parallel lines of beads that I have created. And if I continue now, I will add another row of blue beads and another row then of yellow beads. And the pattern will continue this way. And once I have reached the desired length of my bracelet or necklace or ring, whatever you want to create, then I can remove the purple bead, the stopper bead, and finish my jewelry item. So this is the even count peyote stitch, and as you can see, the rule is very simple. You have to alternate the blue and the yellow beads. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.